What is going on, West Lawn Care people? I'm out here in McDonough. Just got through doing, well, yesterday we was doing a huge clearing. And today we're going to be doing some hedges, pretty much making everything low, cleaning up some stuff in the flower beds. Let me show you what we got going on. So I'm going to take these hedges, I'm going to show you in a minute, and I'm just going to even everything off for right here. So right here, all these hedges are going to get cut and then get even so everything can be uniform. And plus, there's a window behind there, so they want to be able to see out on their driveway. Respectfully so. But hey man, it's a beautiful Sunday. Enjoy it. Go cut some grass.
No problem. No problem. Look at my boo.
Natalie, no. They just doing awesome.